Hello everyone, good morning to all. How are you all of you? I hope you all are fine. So today is 21st June and it is the day celebrated as the International Day of Yoga. So nowadays we all are going through a difficult situation, that is the pandemic of coronavirus. And in this difficult situation, it's our prime duty to keep ourselves physically and mentally fit and healthy. And for that purpose, there is only bone to do the yoga every day for 20 to 30 minutes. Then and only then we can overcome this difficult situation. So I request you all, please give 20 to 30 minutes for doing yoga every day. So in this video we are going to see when was the yoga started, or when was International Day of Yoga started, how it is important for all of us, in what way yoga work in our daily life. So all of you, please see this video, and if you like this video, click on like and share this video. So we are going to see it. All you need is yoga. When was the first International Day of Yoga celebrated? The first International Day of Yoga was observed around the world on 21st June 2015. This year, the whole world will celebrate the 6th International Day of Yoga. This day was declared by United Nations General Assembly (UNGA) in December 2014. International Day of Yoga is a worldwide event. It's in whole world the International Day of Yoga is celebrated. Why is International Day of Yoga is celebrated? Why there is a need? It's because to spread awareness about the importance and effects of yoga on health of the people. Means through that only we can spread the awareness and importances of yoga in everyone's life. The word yoga is derived from Sanskrit, which means to join or unite. How yoga works in our life? There are three levels. Yoga works at three levels. Number one, firstly, it can improve your immunity. Second, you can avoid depression by practicing yoga. Third, yoga helps to set new goals for the global community so that we can be stronger. These are very much important for all of us. These three levels are very much important. Immunity is very important for everyone to keep ourselves or to protect ourselves from the diseases. Okay. Then to avoid depression by practicing yoga. Depression, it should be avoided through the yoga, and also to set new goals for global community. Then theme of the International Day of Yoga. Every year there should be a special theme should be kept. Now on this yoga day, the theme is yoga at home and yoga with family. So I request you all, you do yoga with your family member at your home. Yoga helps in this way. See, if you are doing everyday yoga or doing work also, means work plus yoga, means it balance your life, means your life should be balanced. So yoga helps us in this way. So best example of yoga. In yoga, the best way to keep ourselves mentally and physically fit and healthy, the doing Surya Namaskar. So what are the benefits of doing Surya Namaskar? Number one, it strengthens your body, helps with cope up with insomnia, improves posture, improves muscle tone, improves function of internal organs, helps relax our mind, improves flexibility, helps burn excess fat, helps build mental focus, improves blood circulation. So these are the benefits of doing Surya Namaskar. So every day you can do it. Yoga is what? Yoga is the best way to keep yourself fit and healthy. The best way to health and fitness. It is a boon for all of us, and it's protect us from pandemic of coronavirus disease. A way of feeling relaxed and calm. A form of meditation and discipline life. And your fitness guru. Yoga is nothing but it's your fitness guru. And do yoga daily, not for one day. Make it as a habit. Means whenever we are doing or whenever we are going to do any good activity, you just follow that activity. Just like the yoga, so do yoga daily. And yoga is the journey of the self to the self through this self. And so once again, I happy International Day of Yoga. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like it, comment it, and subscribe my channel and share this video